Hello students, welcome to the class 11th Statistics, chapter 8, Measures of Central Tendency. In this chapter, we will study about the calculation of averages, various averages, that is mean, median and mode. The mean, arithmetic mean, is calculated. First, there are three types of averages: mean, median and mode. And at first in this chapter we will consider the calculation of average, that is arithmetic mean. Mean is of three types. One is arithmetic mean, another one is geometric mean, and third one is harmonic mean. Three types of mean, but in your syllabus only arithmetic mean is considered. So you have to study only arithmetic mean. Now let us consider how to calculate arithmetic mean. There are three types of series, that is here is individual, series, discrete, series, continuous series. It is denoted by, arithmetic mean is the average, and denoted by X bar, capital X bar. And in the individual series, there are three formula we have to follow. Number one, direct method, and number two, short cut method, and number three, step deviation method. Let us consider one by one how to calculate arithmetic mean under these three methods of calculation and in individual series. All these three methods will be followed in all the series, that is individual series, discrete series, as well as in continuous series. Now, in the direct method, we calculate arithmetic mean like this: X bar equal to sigma X by n. Suppose we have given this information, that is 10, 20 and 30. To calculate mean, calculate mean of this individual series. Just this is X, we will sum it, right? 60, the summation of this 60, that is this is the sigma x, if it is sigma x is equal to this, and we will, and total observation is 3, n is equal to 3. Put it in the formula. 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20 is the arithmetic mean. The same numerical can be solved with the help of shortcut method and step deviation method, but result will be the same. Let us calculate the same numerical with the help of second formula, that is shortcut method. This is the direct method, this is shortcut method, this is step deviation method. Under shortcut method, the formula x bar arithmetic mean equal to a plus sigma d by n. This is the formula. Here a stands for assumed mean, and this is sigma summation of d. D here d equal to a is equal to assumed mean, d is equal to x minus a, and n is the total number of observations. This is the detail of this formula. Now we will solve with the same numerical with the help of this formula. Let us solve. For this we have to construct a table. This is x, 10, 20, 30, n is equal to 3. Here we have to calculate in this column d is equal to x minus a. A is the assumed mean. We have to assume it like this. Say the mean is considered as 20. Then if a considered as 20, then 10 minus 20 equal to minus 10. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0, and 30 minus 10 is equal to 10. Then its summation is sigma d is equal to 0. Put it as x bar equal to 10 plus sigma d, 0 by 3. Plus 10, sorry, minus 10, and 20 minus 20 is equal to 0, and 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. That is 0. Oh, here is the 20. 20, then 3 is equal to 20 is the answer. This is the way of solving the arithmetic mean in the individual series with the help of shortcut method. Now come to the calculation of the same series in step deviation method. In step deviation method, the formula is x bar equal to a plus sigma d dash by n into c. Here a stands for assume mean and d dash is equal to x minus a by c. You may write it d by c, and c is the class interval. Now come to solve the same numerical with the help of state division method. The state division method, we have to construct one more column, that is x and d column, that is x minus a, and this is the next column d dash equal to d by c. Now 10, 20, 30, d equal to x minus a. We have assumed as 20 as a d. Here d, sorry, a equal to 20. Then this is minus 10, this is 0, and this is plus 10. Then d dash common factor, here it is supposed by c equal to 10. 10 divided by 10 minus 1, 0, and plus 1. Then this is n equal to 3 and sigma d equal to 0 and sigma d dash equal to 0. Put it here, x bar equal to 20 plus 0 by 3 into 10 equal to 20 is the mean. In this way, we can calculate arithmetic mean of individual सीरीज. तो इस तरह से हम लोगों ने देखा कि कैसे मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी में अरिथमेटिक मीन कैलकुलेट किया जाता है और क्या क्या फॉर्मूले होते हैं. ये तीनों मेथड इंडिविजुअल ऑब्जर्वेशन का हमने डिस्कशन कर दिया. अब आप अपने न्यूमेरिकल बुक से न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कीजिए. अगर कोई समस्या आती है तो उसे मेरे सामने ले आइए. नेक्स्ट डे वी विल कंसीडर द सेकंड सीरीज, दैट इज डिस्क्रीट सीरीज. कैलकुलेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक मीन in discrete series with the help of these three types of formula. Now, rest is well. Thank you.